Peter Walters worldwide. With subsidiaries on 3 continents, the Peter Walters Group brings international leading technology to bear on ultimate surface finishing. The corporate headquarters and main factory at Rendsburg in the north of Germany, the home of smart system solutions for fine grinding, lapping and polishing applications. Decades of experience and consistent innovative potential contribute to top performance in planarizing products made of various materials. The right finish, it doesn't only give crystal its luster. Without it, lots of everyday things just wouldn't work. Whether it is the parts of a servo-assisted steering unit to help a dashing sports car respond to the lightest touch, or the injection technology in the latest generation of diesel vehicles. The optimized fuel supply of these modern engines calls for special components such as adjustment rings whose surfaces need to be finished to an accuracy in the micron range. The answer to such precision requirements is the 2-wheel fine grinding machine AC700F. The accustomed reliability of the AC Microline series by Peter Walters means that even extremely thin workpieces can be processed. The animation shows how the 2-wheel principle achieves highly even results through its plain parallel machining. Experts know that even then the surfaces of the workpieces still look rough under an electron microscope. A brief look at the structure of the AC700. As in all AC Microline products, a key feature is its modular structure. The feed unit, manual or automatic, depending on the needs of the customer, from the feed table to the precision grinding module itself. And finally, the discharging unit, once again chosen to fit the needs of the particular customer. Let's take a closer look at the feed unit. Two separate bowl feeders allow workpieces with different diameters to be fitted. The feed is processed by a measuring tracer which identifies when blanks exceed given tolerance limits and removes these at once. For the extremely thin adjustment rings, the workpiece carriers too are extremely thin. Loading them therefore calls for extreme care and constant monitoring, here done automatically. The workpiece carriers on the feed table just before reaching the grinding unit. The operator checks the placement of the workpiece carriers on the working wheel. Here, the manual process proves to be particularly safe and sensitive. The animation shows the pattern of charging and discharging the grinding module. Due to the special layout of this AC700, 3 workpiece carriers are discharged before feeding commences. The working wheels of the AC700 are also fitted with the proven labyrinth cooling system, guaranteeing constant temperatures and thus preventing deformation. Let's remind ourselves, these workpieces are at the very limit of processing. Nevertheless, the entire charging and discharging process takes less than 60 seconds. a linear-operated robot moves the workpiece carriers to the conveyor after grinding. The robot and grinding modules are, of course, fitted with safety covers that conform to CE standards. The monitor allows the operator to check the processes at all times. A single person can operate the entire machine. Here, a manual process has been chosen for removing the finished workpieces. Depending on the customer's needs, semi-automatic or fully automatic solutions can also be implemented. As with all products in the AC Microline range, each step is controlled by a Siemens PLC, whereby specific programs are tailored to the necessary procedures for individual types of workpieces. Precision, innovation, and automation combine to set a new benchmark for smart finishing systems. The two-wheel machines of the AC Microline range from Peter Walters, fine finishing to perfection.